Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about cherries, and I have a list of some tips and ideas for you for using cherries. So if you're looking for some new ideas, or you're new to cooking in the kitchen and you just want some helpful hints along the way, hopefully this will help you out. The list is a little long, so I broke it up into two parts, and this is part one. I will have a link to part two below in the description box. Why not add some pitted cherries to your favorite smoothie? Or blend cherries into yogurt or cream cheese for a fruit dip. Add cherries to a salad of dark leafy greens with radishes and top it with some slivered almonds. Why not add cherries to any leafy green salad for a pop of color, a touch of sweetness, and some added nutritional value? How about adding some chopped cherries to pancakes or muffin batter? Try making a cherry salsa. Combine some chopped pitted cherries, diced hot peppers, and some cilantro. For a quick snack or dessert, blend some cherries with a combination of your favorite frozen fruit and just eat it like it is. It's yummy. Or you could stew or roast cherries to serve on top of ice cream, yogurt, pancakes, or even waffles. I do hope this helps you out. Stay tuned for part two. Bye for now.